Okay, great, everyone. And some of the other features that are included in the G Suite stack are over here, the Hangouts, which can be very helpful for doing a quick call with any of your contacts. That includes, if I come over here, the Google Meet feature, which is the video conferencing, all right? As well, on this side, we have some other tools, such as Keep and a quick look at the calendar. Keep is where you can take notes. It is similar to Evernote, as an example. And then we have tasks on this side. Let's just get started with some example tasks. And it is create the slide for this workshop. Okay, great. If I want to, I can also come in here and edit this date and time. We'll set it for today, and the time will be 3 o'clock. It is not repeatable, okay? And the subtasks are also possible. So create the slide for this workshop, GSuite video. Excellent. And there you go. I'm just going to X out of here and continue on. So let's take a look at a couple of these different tools. You probably are all familiar with the calendar. We've got that, which is very, very helpful. We've also got the Drive, where we have our documents. Something very important to note with Drive, you have the 15 gigabytes free, and if you use native Google documents, you will not be using up space. You will actually only be using up space if you are using non-Google documents such as Microsoft documents. Here, let's click and same setup. I'm going to come over here and click on the slide. We have some presentations that have already been pre-established, but I'm just going to use a blank sheet to get started. And since we are MarcaTec, we will brand it like that, and the subtitle is going to be Biz Dev Growth Stack Sessions. All right. And so we are doing Gmail and GSuite. I already have some slides ready, so I'll just go ahead and import in a moment. And one of the great things also about the Google Drive environment is that you can share documents with people. So you can give different people a certain amount of access to your files, all right? So here I would type in the person, whoever I want to add, and I can give them reader visibility, or I can give them editor access as well. So it's great for collaboration and remote working. Title of the presentation, right? Biz Dev. Now, we can already see that presentation appearing here in my drive. If you were wanting to move it to a different folder or to store it for your favorites, you can do that as well. So a couple of things that we are going to be looking at are email creation, and we're also going to be doing email setup and calendar. We're looking at slides, okay, docs, which are the Word documents, actually quite friendly, and then sheets too. There are some more like Hangouts /Meet and the tasks and Google Keep. So, all right. And then later we're going to get into some of the different tools that we'll be adding on top and connecting with this platform.